Frizzy, unmanageable hair? Introducing Makemeebold Hair Straightening Brush. Hold a small section of hair with some tension. Now slowly glide the straightening brush through the same section. It instantly removes the frizz and gives a smooth and shiny finish. Repeat the same on all hair sections until you achieve sleek, frizz-free hair that's effortlessly manageable. Remember that this is not a hair straightener but a hair straightening brush. The straightening brush has a double ceramic coating which protects your hair from heat damage. It has different temperature settings for different hair types. It also has a 360-degree swivel cord to prevent it from tangling. And guess what? It's also travel friendly. Makemeebold Hair Straightening Brush by Urban You. It's time to be bold and be the change.